And next we have mentioned about 6 working groups. We have identified the working groups with the key objective: identify the knowledge gaps, develop an understanding of existing and potential scientific initiatives and programs and partnership, discuss the role of cross-cutting teams in addressing the science questions. We have the inaugural session. We have mentioned about the speech by Executive Secretary and Secretary MOS. What is his view about India, how India would support. So that has been brought in here, the inaugural session. Then followed by working group 1 and the presentation of the working group and the panel discussion. The input given by them and the members of the panel and their presentations are highlighted here. This is you want to zoom for it? Yeah. Furthermore, yeah, the
those corrections don't do now.
no, we are not doing. No, we are not doing.
We are not doing.
We are not. So the panel members are presented here, and chairman of the session and the panelists, and the panelists what they have highlighted also is shown here. Yeah, and all the details are presented in the annexure, and the recommendations are brought in here, but this is only a broad recommendation what has been given. Then working group 3, predicted ocean, and Dr. Sid and lead talk and what he presented, and the panel discussion that has been captured here. And the panelists highlighted the following major point in their presentation. Then the recommendation of that particular panel. Every panel we have made it in a separate format. This was presented by the chairman of the group. Then working group 4 on safe ocean. Dr. Nikas presented his lead talk and highlighted the consideration of related to the safe ocean. He also has given following few examples and that he made a point that has been brought in here. Then again a panel discussion, the same format is followed. And the chair presented about the idea of the safe ocean and various ocean related hazards and risks. And thanks to reported, they have also captured some information what has been brought in later stage. The panelists what they felt, again that has been brought in, like disaster response, and major points that has emerged during the discussion is included here: mitigation or elimination of risk, response to upcoming hazard, and details of the panel discussion and the other points are given in annexure 6. Now working group 4, again a panel discussion. Dr. Faiza has given the details. She gave overview of global planning meeting held in May 2009 and outlined 8 knowledge gaps and research priorities. And the panelists in their presentation, what they have highlighted is also shown here, particularly over-exploiting of marine resources, responsible fisheries management, and application of biotechnological tools, and marine spatial planning. MSP is important factor here. And some of the countries like Saudi Arabia, what they have brought in, that part is also noted here. So summary of working group 5 is given. Then further discussion details are given in Annex 7. The working group 6 on transparent and accessible ocean. Mohanty is lead talk, and here he has highlighted the connection of ocean data and information should focus on different oceans separately, followed by the panel members and the chair, whatever he mentioned, and the panelists made the following observations: data reliability and the lack of reliable data on fisheries resource potential, developing a data bank, This is what I have been discussed and highlighted and about ITC Ocean. And the details are again given in Annex 8. Interaction with the students, the outcome of the workshop, that has been brought in here. And this is what in a nutshell. All other annexures and running into pages. Recommendation, everything is captured here. Thanks to Dr. Sampath, his experience can be seen here. So, thanks to all the reporters and panelists for providing the information at the right time. Yeah, formatting has to be done, spell check need to be done. I think Secretariat will take care of that, and final recommendation they will also capture it. Yeah, it will come. It will come. They will circulate all. After the corrections, they will circulate. If you want 2-3 themes like Chairman mentioned, that can be emailed to us specifically from this. That can. Yeah. Finally, we have also added about best practice method. That recommendation is there, and the discussion that we also got country at the viewpoint, the questionnaire reply that will be added. That is in the last part. That is there as an annexure, but will be added in the report.
How big is the document?
40 page? 44, another few more pages here. So with this,
Plain text will be
yeah.
I just want to indicate here that this is the same whatever has been discussed earlier. Just related everything into a Word document so that everything is captured here. It requires fine tuning, not only in terms of formatting, but go any education and with English language, proper name. So all these things are being to do that and send it to all members for any comments. And I would really like to thank Money and all others who found this in a short period of time. They have given a lot of homework. We do it in the time, but they are sad. Thank you very much. And
along with this report, the names and the email IDs of people will also attach that it is easy for us to communicate.
yes, correct. That is right. All the names will be ready. But last thing before winding up, I want to ask is that we want some of the questions from the participants about the whole structure of the workshop. Because we had a particular structure which we followed for this workshop. Like we had initially was the keynote speaker, then after that the panelists, and then of course the group discussion, etc. Which we took it from how it was done in the global planning meeting at Copenhagen. Something similar to that, not exactly, but something similar to that we did. But do you feel that this is something which can be followed in similar cases, or do you feel that some things are not correct or good or anything like that? Maybe a few comments would help us to plan for the future meetings. Yes,
Yeah, actually, it's a good comment. Is that it's excellent. The way you have taken the format and all this thing, everything is, absolutely fine, except for the fact that we didn't get coffee breaks. Coffee breaks will give us some more ideas. We can informally go out, discuss, and come back. Because you allowed us to be in our seats, and coffee is served on the table. That is where it has, little bit, little bit dispatch. That's all I meant to ask.
Thank you, that is really right that you got that question. Specifically not to break when we break again coming back and all it will take time. So that's why anyway good, thank you. That is the right thing also because we discuss many things during coffee breaks and then come back and we become more wiser and all those things. Thank you, Dr. Sir. Any other comment? If there are no further comments, I would like to thank all the member states for being here and all the representatives of media or those who are serving and those who are retired for being here. I am not going to name each one. I would like to thank all of them. I would like to thank the Secretariat, ISC Secretariat, Justin, who has been really a pillar of support for all of us, so to say. He used to sometimes, without really knowledge in the income block in by this time, now the difference in time is 1.5 hours. Used to directly contact WhatsApp. I usually half asleep. So then he starts and he speaks. And yes, please speak. I will get up and start discussing. So that way things are going on. I also disturbed him so many times in hours. So, and there has been a good support from Nick and across the world, and I'm very happy that three of the really pillars of IOC are here to support us in this workshop. And let me also thank my team at NIOT, Dr. Ramamurthy. I have to thank because this is a work which has been happening with both institutes, NIOT and NCCR, working together at tandem, which normally when institutes are there, yes, there will be some small teachers, but actually there was no each event together, both institutes, both institutions, section people work together. So I would really like to thank all of them. I would like all the team members to please come in the front. Let's try Ram Sundar, Josh, actually, there is a whole army under them. So they all did this job. So things are going smoothly because of all the efforts. And then two more are just joined, just hold up, they are on the way. Then there are many others from NCCR, everybody support are there, no?
Radhakrishnan come.
And all our rapporteurs.
Rapporteurs you can call, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Rapporteurs, please.
Dr.
Yeah, rapporteurs, please.
Please come.
Vandana is there, no?
She's there.
Sir, they are not there. Coming. Okay. Two more is coming. Vijay.
Yes, because see, perhaps some of things you won't realize your transport has been made so smooth. This Ramsundar has been there even in the middle of the night there, standing in the airport to sit in your queue. And you got good food because there is somebody behind the scenes who has been looking after the menu and what should be there, what should not be there, especially when you have foreign participants, for spies and letter spies and all those things. Some people are there. It will not come just like that. Many people are working behind the scenes. So just good work, just wait for them also. They are coming. You stand and spread your essence.
Yes, actually, I still find one more aspect.
Two more.
No, that is three actually. That includes you.
not do anything, only we
No,
have to take care.
you have to go there, the market is there. You go there.
Just hold on, they are just on the way. Yes, come,
Yes, yes.
Stand there at the front.
Go there, you know, when you are looking at the floor.
Try is a person who taking care of everything. And now Shishra has done. And Josia has been taking care of media, publicity, all of that. Then Ramsundar, as I told you, was taking care of the transport. And as I told you, the good food you got was Vijaya was behind the scene. Vijaya who has been seeing that you get proper food. And Venkateshan and his team was fully behind the scene to make this possible in every possible way. And all the rapporteurs have made. Somebody is standing behind Ramsundar who is not visible.
Yes, money.
And somebody behind Vivek.
Hey, Janaki.
So let us give them all a big hand also.
Thank you.
Yes, you should be there.
Please wait, please wait.
He's coming.
Please take a photograph. Small sweets.
Thank you.
Thank you one and all, and once again thank everybody for actually coming here and helping us in this activity. Many of you have come on the travel visit, you have taken care of yourself. Thank you one and all, and for the safe journey back home. Tomorrow, those of you have given me thank you very much. Sorry.
Yes.